In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pipedrive to Slack in 3 minutes. We'll link your sales pipeline with your team chat so updates reach the right people fast. All you need is access to your Pipedrive account and a Slack workspace where you can approve apps. If your organization limits installations, make sure an admin is available to grant permission. Start in Pipedrive. Look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This opens your account menu. From that menu, choose Tools and Apps. Think of this area as your hub for integrations and marketplace add-ons. On the left-hand pane, locate Slack. You'll see it listed among the available apps. Open it, then press Install. Pipedrive will ask you to confirm which user and which company the installation should apply to. If you manage or have access to more than one company in Pipedrive, take a second to pick the correct one. This selection controls where activity will be tracked and prevents updates from going to the wrong place. Continue by selecting Allow and Install. A secure permissions window appears so you can connect to Slack. If you aren't already signed in, log into Slack with your usual credentials, and if you belong to multiple workspaces, choose the workspace that will receive your Pipedrive notifications. Review the permissions shown. This typically lets Pipedrive post notifications and read the basics it needs to send updates. When everything looks right, authorize the connection. After authorization, you'll be returned to Pipedrive and the integration will complete. That's all there is to it. The connection is live, and you're set up to have Pipedrive share activity to Slack based on your settings in each tool. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you approve the correct user and company during installation, and confirm you connected to the intended Slack workspace. If a browser pop-up blocker interrupts the authorization window, temporarily disable it and try again. If your company uses strict app controls, you may need an admin to approve the app in Slack or in Pipedrive before the install can finish. When you need to review, pause, or remove the integration later, return to Tools and Apps in Pipedrive and open Slack to manage it. With that, you've connected Pipedrive to Slack in just a couple of minutes, so your team can act on updates the moment they happen.